Hey, it's Vanity, and today I have a intense feline cat eye makeup tutorial. I will be using this black radiance gel liner with the brush that it came with. And I'm just gonna take that brush and apply the liner right along my waterline on my top lid. Now I'm just going to line the shape of my eye, and this doesn't have to be done neat. I just want to trace along where the crease is on my eye. Now I'm just going to fill it in with the rest of the liner that I have left on the brush. Now I'm just going to do the same process for the other eye. Now I'm going to use my NYX Land of Lollies palette, and I'm going to use that matte black color, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. This will help the look become more matte and to seal that gel liner in. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush into that black matte color. I'm going to apply it on my lower lid's waterline. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation with this beauty sponge, and I'm just going to apply some on different areas of my face, and I'm just going to blend that out. All the information for the products in this video will be in the description box. For concealer, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to apply some right under my eyes. This will help to even out any dark circles that I may have. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. For setting power, I use this Airspun and this triangle sponge, and I will just apply it right where I applied my concealer on both sides. And I'm going to allow this setting powder to rest for a minute or two. And now I'm just going to remove any excess with this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to use this LA Colors Contour Kit with this fluffy brush. And I'm just going to apply it right on the side of my cheeks. And I'm going to apply some color on my forehead also. For blush, I'm going to use Bare Minerals, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks with this fluffy brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use this AOA Wonder highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it right on the side of my cheeks, right above my blush. On my nose, right above my lips, and on my chin. And I'm going to use this Wetnwild lipstick. I applied it off camera, and this is the final look. Thank you for watching.